Hello, my beautiful people. How are we doing? How are we doing? Hope we are well. Today is yet another day, another beautiful and amazing day. We are having another session come through. Let us get into it and we see how the day is going to play out. Okay, so as you come through, I'm finalizing with my setup of the podcast. Let us chat. For the new people, you're most welcome. Happy to have you around. Keep joining in, send in a message, send in a concern, a question, please. I am here to attend to each and every one of us. Okay, so come through, let us chat. Let us see how today Brent Oil OTC is going to take us. David, hi David, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Thank you for coming through, and you are the very first person to send in a message. Happy to have you around. Okay, thank God I found a page like this. We thank God that you are here. On that note, definitely do not forget to like and subscribe such that each and every single day we are here together, learning, improving ourselves in trading, and definitely being able to trade on our own. So please, thank you for coming through. You are most welcome. And let us get straight into it without wasting any time. Okay, definitely. All right. Okay, so this is a pocket option. The pocket option over here. So you are in the right place, David. You're most welcome. Ruth, hi Ruth, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Always excited to see you around. Okay, so today we are having Brent Oil OTC. That is the pair that we are having. 940 US dollars. That is the amount that I've put up for trading. 15 seconds, my time expiry. The same 15 seconds goes for, okay, let me go back to my amount of 500 US dollars, right? So, as I was saying, that 15 seconds definitely goes for it goes for the chart time frame as well. Chart time frame 15 seconds, time expiry 15 seconds. For the candle close, we have 5 seconds, all right? Okay, I'm seeing Mojito Star over there. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. It's a new day, an amazing day. Let us get straight into it and we see how everything is going to play out. Jordan over there. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the blessings, and the same blessings are returned back to you. Thank you very much. And definitely thank you guys for always coming through, for always tuning in. It is a pleasure. Laugh over there. Hi, how are you? Hope you are doing okay. Hope you are amazing. Jacqueline, happy to see you once again. We were here yesterday together. The session was amazing. So I'm so happy and I'm so excited excited to have you here for yet another session. Most welcome. Alright, so still today we are on to the alligator indicator as our main indicator for the day. Mark D backs up our alligator indicator, okay, and both of them are set at default. So the settings that you are seeing over there are at default or their standard settings, which is 13, 8, and 5. Okay. Then for the MACD, we have 12, 26, and 9 as settings for those two indicators. When we are trading, first of all, we know very well this is a pocket option trading. Our platform being a pocket option, we are definitely looking at a smaller time frame with binary options, smaller time frames. So we use sniper entries. That is one thing that I've been explaining to you all along. People will be like, why are you considering indicators so much? Why are you emphasizing indicators? Us as people who are trading in smaller time frames, we do not have a lot of time for the setups here and there, the markings, all that. Indicators help us a lot. Candlestick patterns, having the knowledge about those to the candlestick patterns and the indicators, that is what we need in our scalping or our binary options trading. That's what we need. Get that, get your trades, make our profits, call it a day. Okay, so with the indicators, we have a number of them. It's not that we have just the alligator indicator and the MACD indicator, but we have a number of them. The fractal indicator, we have RSI. There are a number of them. So us as traders, more so as smaller time frame traders, we have to get those that we know we are so comfortable with, that we have learned about, that are easy for us to use. Then get into the market, make our profits, however small the profit may be, but as long as we don't make losses, all right? Us having something called probability trading. That tutorial, I will be putting it out. I will be putting it out. Probability trading, this is where initially when we talk about win or loss, that simply means we are looking at 50-50. By 50-50, that simply means we are winning 50% and we are losing 50%. So here is where the probability trading comes in. That simply means we have to look at better ways of increasing this percentage on the side of profitability than the side of the loss. All right. So what do we need? That simply means we have to learn, we have to have the knowledge for us to leave the 50% profitability to 70% profitability, and then there we are free to look at 30% as the loss. Because at the end of the day, I'm not going to tell you that losses, we can avoid the losses. The losses will always be there. Even if you have started up a business, even if you are doing something that needs to win or lose, that simply means the losses will always be there. But we have to make sure that we minimize these losses. All right. So with that, we have to make sure that we have the knowledge of the candlestick patterns and with the indicators as well. Okay, there we are assured that we are trying to manage the market, but at the same time not forgetting that the market is unpredictable. We cannot really know what the market has in store for us. That's why the knowledge is very, very important for us to have. Okay, so Dima over there, hi, how are you? Hope you're well. Hope you're doing great. Nori comes in. Happy to have you around. Excited to see you come through. Frank, hi Frank, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing okay. That is Dehemi over there. Hi, how are you? How are you? Hope you're well. Excited to see you around for yet another session. Atta, I see you over there. Thank you very much for coming through. Thank you for coming through. Nori, how are you? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for always coming through. Thank you for always joining in, day out. I'm so happy to always have you around. Okay, so let us stick to it and we see that we are able to make profits today. I got lost, couldn't find my way, and I guess there's nothing more to say. Let us get in the mood of making profits today. Yes, every day I you were the one why. Look at that. Look at that. We are into the profits today. To bring my home, listen. To hear is to cry. Seems to see we okay, reading the market, we sell over here. Yes, that was it. It makes me wonder why my life's worth nothing but you. But everywhere I see, I try to make my heart be still. 'Cause everywhere there is to cry, ourselves to see. Levis, hi Levis, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you join in the chat section. You never know. No, 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 no. You never know. we are getting to it, and there comes a scene. Definitely, let us get into it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. When we are monitoring these the trends, or when we are monitoring the market, definitely we are looking at two very important trends. That is the uptrend and the downtrend. There is the other third one, which is consolidation, right? That we do not rely on it. We do not place in our trade. Reason being because we do not know where exactly the market is going to go. So you could place in a trade, maybe a sell trade, and then it turns out to be moving in the opposite direction. So that clearly gives you a clear loss. All right. So in consolidation or in sideways direction, we do not tamper, or we do not make a trade. Let us wait for when the market has decided where exactly it's heading, and then we place in a trade. No rush. Let us keep patient. Let us keep patient, and definitely we see how to get these profits out of the market. That's very true, Mojito Star. The thing is, the reason as to why I want so much to talk about trading in a simpler way, it's because there are a number of people coming through, there are a number of beginners who need to learn exactly how things are supposed to be. For the pros, definitely, those know what to do. When they look at the chart, they know exactly what is going on. They know how to handle trading. They know how to trade. But in my simplicity, definitely I believe I'm able to give a hand to those people that are trying to learn, are starting on their trading journey. So that's why I do it in a very easy way. And the other thing, I always love things that are not going to complicate people's lives or even my life at the same time. So that way, at least, we are able to move together. So, John, hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing great. Shivan over there, I see you. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. Okay, deeper over there. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are well. Thank you for coming through. Ooh. Ooh, made a loss over there. Let us keep it going. We are over info, positivity, and profitability. So let us keep going. For the new people that are coming through, you are most welcome. Happy to have you around. And for the old one, I do appreciate you. Thank you for always coming through. Thank you for being active. Thank you for keeping the chat section very, very active. I really do appreciate you. Also, thank you for the likes. Thank you for the subscriptions. I really do appreciate. We are still on our mission of making sure that we get to where we want to be in our trading journey. So, to all of you who are watching or tuning in, please send in a message. Talk to me. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about today's market. Brent oil OTC. Let us see how it's all going to go today. We've been having gold OTC, so now I changed to Brent oil OTC. But God, what you see, did really, really well. You did well. So let us see what Brent oil has for us. Baby, I just know what I'm feeling, and it's all because of you. Don't tell me I don't know. I wanna you. 'Cause they call it, we call it, you call it, I call it love. It's so clear for you to see. I don't know how to tell you what to do. But I can't just let us be happy. I don't wanna find nobody. Okay, self position over here. Let us see. Okay, that is our plus for us. That is a plus. We have a bond that's unbreakable, and it's not time to let it go. And now that we know it's real, we're gonna let it show to the whole world that I'm yours forever, and you're my girl. You're my everything. I don't know. Maybe I know what love is. Maybe I know. Maybe I just know what I'm feeling, and it's all because it's all. Today seems a bit. It seems a bit 50-50 with the market. Come through, tell me what you think. Tell me what your analysis is, what you think about today's market. Are we more on the side of profits? How is the market looking? Please come through and let me know what you think. Leaving my life in your hands. People say I'm crazy and that I am blind. Just get it all in a plan. How you got me blind is a mystery. Can't get you out of my head. Don't care what it's been making history. As long as you're here with me, I don't care who you are. Okay, look at that. We are getting there. We are getting there. The smile on your face lets them know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch wherever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all. All day long I can hear people talking out loud. But when you hold me, you drown out the crowd. Try to let me think you never deny. You said it's your heart, mine. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all. Don Steve, hi Don Steve, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are amazing. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. That is Mad over there. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Atta, thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. I really do appreciate you. Jacqueline, I see you over there. Laugh. We are moving together. We are moving together, and we have to see how everything is going to play out. Right? Okay. That is Janito. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing amazing. Hi Ty, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are amazing. Thank you for coming through for yet another session. For yet another session. Happy to have you around. So, with the donations, like I've been trying to explain, so you're going to go in my YouTube bio, right? There are different links over there. There is the stream link, the Telegram link, there is a donations link. There are a number of links down there. So the very first one actually it's the donations the donations link, When you click on it, you first have the terms and conditions over there. After the terms and conditions, they bring you the steps that you have to take to be able to send in a donation. And right there, you will see, let me give an example. Your name is Thai, so that is a name. I ask you for the name. Okay, so I ask you for the name, then the amount that you are sending in, which is 350 US dollars. That is the minimum. Okay, that is the minimum. Then after that, you send me how many times do you want me to trade for you that money. That is what I call attempts. It could be one attempt, two, three, four. The maximum is five. All right. Then I ask you for your crypto wallet or your digital wallet. This is where I withdraw to your profits after a win. So the steps are that few, the steps are that simple. Go through that and then you will be able to send in a donation. Okay, Ty, that is it. Mojito star, yes, it is risky. When you are trading in smaller time frames, it's highly risky. That's where the knowledge helps so much, knowing the candlestick patterns and the indicators that you are using. That's the kind of knowledge that we need for us to be able to make profits out of the smaller time frames. Okay, so right about now we are getting ready to get into our donations. Let me withdraw what is mine over here. So when we get to the time for the donations, I always put out a list of the people that I'm trading for, and we follow the list the way it appears on your chat over there, right? And everyone is able to see that on this day my donation was traded and I made a plus or I made a loss. So we trade together. It's nothing of behind curtains where I will pretend that I'm trading for you, yet maybe I'm not. So it's a, a transparent way of doing my things. I put the list over there and we do trade together. For the people that are viewing, for the people that are watching from wherever we are, we do it that way. Okay, so we are into with the donations and we shall start off with Orlando. That is 350 US dollars, taking it for three items. Okay, we are into it with a cell position. Beautiful. We have a plus for our first atoms. That leaves us for two atoms to go. Okay, we're pressing. That is a sound for us. Let's go. Right about now, the focus is in the air. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So that is for our second attempt. We have one more to go. Focused, and at the same time the vibe is still ongoing in the chat section. Let us keep it that way as we collect our profits. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Congratulations. That is to Orlando. Okay, I'm withdrawing to Orlando's wallet. Okay, so for Orlando, that is a Tether wallet. Congratulations once again. Now we go into it with 700 US dollars, two atoms. Yes, Mojito Star, please. For practicing, use your demo account first. And when you go onto real trading, start with a very, very small percentage. Perfect, keep perfecting with that small percentage, then you can keep increasing your percentage, right? but practice using the demo. Make all the mistakes there are to make on your demo account, such that when you start real trading, at least you know exactly what you are looking out for, what is expected. All right, start with a demo account, and then you see how to go about it. Small percentage on the real trading. If you feel you are getting better, you need to increase the percentage, go ahead, do that. All right. Jacob, hi Jacob, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. Okay, we are getting into it. Oof. On our first attempt, we have made a loss. We have made a loss. Let us give it one more try and we see. Loving you, girl. Oh, yes, I have. Ever since the day you left me here alone, I've been trying to find the reason why. But there's something wrong, please tell me. I understand. 'Cause I don't want this love to ever end. And I swear, if you come back in my life, be there till the end of time. Oh, yes. I swear, I'll keep you right by my side. Baby, you're the one I want. Oh, yes, you are. I want to take my heart with you. Oh, yes, you do. Every time I try to reach you on the phone, baby, you're never there. You never know. But if something wrong, please tell me. I wanna understand. 'Cause I don't want this love to ever end. No, 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 no. I swear, if you come back in my life, be there till the end of time. Oh, yeah. I swear, I'll keep you right by my side. 'Cause baby, you're the one I want. Okay, so we get back into it for Neil. Let us give it a second, a try, we see. Baby, I didn't know what to say. This time I hold this guy. And you my life. We can be I swear, if you come back in my life, be there till the end of time. Okay. Then we have a plus. We have one more atom to go for male. Okay, right about now we have profits for Neil. Congratulations, Neil. Congratulations over there. Okay, let me withdraw into Neil's wallet. Okay, we still have Tether wallet. Next, we go to Mentalizer, 350 US dollars for items. Okay, so we are checking it for atoms. Okay, so on our first attempt, we have a plus. We have a plus. That simply leaves us with three atoms to go. Okay, so there we go. Three more atoms to go. That is for mentalizers we buy here. Oof. Oh no. Oh no. I've made a loss over here. That is for mentalizer. So sorry. My sincere apologies. Brainy X, that is a pocket option. Okay, luxurious, that is 800 US dollars, one agent. Surely, surely. Okay. Okay, so let us get into it for luxurious. Okay, we have a plus over there that is for luxurious. We have a plus. Congratulations. Crypto lifestyle. Hi, how are you doing? Thank you for coming through. Nancy, I see you over there. Thank you for joining in. And then we have that is Vincent over there. Hi, how are you? Hope you are well. Nad, hi Nad, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Thank you for coming through. Oliver, can I send in 3,000? Is that for 3,000 USD for one trade? Yes, it's very possible. It's very possible. For the number of trades that I do for you, it's all up to you. You tell me either one trade, two, three, four, or even five, because the maximum is five. So you can send in and then we get to it. Nickel 350 US dollars, five atoms. Okay, So we have four more items to go. Okay, so we are getting into our second attempt. So I wanna do that is it. That is it. We have two attempts so far. Three more to go for Nico. Okay, we get into our third attempt. Okay, we are still getting there, so we have two more to go. Okay. Okay, okay. This is amazing. This is amazing. So one more item to go for Nico. The last attempt. Okay, so that is for Nico. Right over there, congratulations to Nico. We have our profits. We have our profits over there. Let me withdraw to your wallet. I knew I loved you before I met you. I think I dreamed you into life. I knew I loved you before I met you. I have been waiting all my life. There's just no rhyme or reason. Only the sense of completion. And in your eyes, I see them missing pieces. Okay, Nico as well. We have to the wallet. Right. So that is for my first list. Let me proceed. Before I met you, I think I dreamed you into life. I knew I loved you before I met you. I have been waiting all my life. Okay, so that is for our second list, and we start off with our 600 US dollars to attempts. Okay, for our first attempt, we have one more to go for Ari.
Day after day, time has to play, and I just can't get you off my mind. Nobody knows I hide it inside. I keep on searching, but I can't find the courage to show, to let you know I've never been so much love before. And once again, I'm thinking about taking the easy way out. But if I let you